Two fintech names reported results moments ago. Affirm surging on a revenue beat and confirmation that it will be the exclusive buy now, pay later option on Amazon until 2023. And SoFi also jumping after posting a narrower than expected loss and revenue beat. Joining us now, Dan Dolev, senior fintech research analyst at Mizuho. He covers both stocks plural. Dan, thanks so much for joining us. Let's start with Affirm, if we can. Is it that Amazon detail that's driving this jump, or the numbers?
Hey, Wilfred, always great to be on the show. Thank you again. Look, this has been an amazing quarter. I think that there's a lot of anxiety heading into the quarter, because the stock has been up so much, and I think that's why you saw the move today. But this is not just Amazon. Of course, Amazon is a huge thing, but you're seeing like the number of active customers move up dramatically, actually going from 7.1 to 8.7 million. You're seeing the AOV continuing to come down, the average order value. Remember, the thesis is the lower the average order value, the higher the number of engagement and transactions, right? They want to be more like an Afterpay or Klarna, smaller ticket items. So all these things are very positive, and the cherry on top of the cake is very, very strong guidance above the street, above the prior guidance on both GMV, volumes, and revenue.
Although slower than last quarter, GMV ex Peloton growing 138%, obviously very strong. Obviously it's a hyper growth company, Dan. What sort of growth numbers should we expect incrementally here from Affirm?
Yeah, I was thinking it's a great question. I was thinking the same thing. So there is actually, it's a great observation. So the GMV growth, excluding Peloton, actually decelerated. But you're looking at basically numbers becoming ever higher and higher. So you can't just have bigger and bigger numbers and expect growth to accelerate. So I think that's quite normal. I mean, they're growing like well above 100% on a year-over-year basis. And that's even before we're starting to see sort of the fruits of the Amazons and the full Shopify partnership and the Debit Plus thing. So you're seeing really kind of like what we're seeing today is nothing compared to what the fundamentals are going to look like in a year's time. So I think that's the reason to kind of stay really, really bullish on Affirm on top of these really strong results.
Let's pivot to SoFi. What's your take there?
I mean, this has been, again, an amazing kind of stock performance since, we've initiated. The stock was in the mid-teens. Look where it is today. It's going to go much higher. We've long said this is one of the best plays in FinTech. This is sort of the next neobank. They're coming at it for mortgages. The results are fantastic, right? They're actually accelerating the number of members. You're going from, about 280,000 more members sequentially in the second quarter to 377,000. So it's 2.9 million. So the members are up. The actual product per member, that's the key KPI. How many products can they sell per member? That actually moved up for, the third consecutive quarter. So now they're almost at 1.5 products per member. That's way higher than sort of low ones only a year ago. So everything is moving in the right direction. And again, the cherry on top of the cake here is that the guidance is really strong, and it's above the street and it's above expectations. So I think that one is actually on its way up, and we're going to start to see more and more kind of SoFi becoming your go-to bank for a lot of people.